So we can't come to one of the motorhome shows and not see these amazing, beautiful vans. I have never actually been in one, so this is my first time actually going in, and we have permission to actually film inside of it. So yeah, let's go and see how the other side live. Oh no. Okay, this is a bit I feel like I shouldn't be allowed in here. Oh, Andrew. I wouldn't care, this isn't even the most expensive one they have. This is beautiful, isn't it? It's absolutely stunning. So you've got the biggest sitting room space ever. So you've got 2 extra seatbelts there, you've got another one there. So you've got like, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm guessing there's going to be a 6. I'm guessing it's going to be a 6 berth. You've got a pull down bed. I didn't even spot the pull down bed. Wow, so yes, you know, it's all leather, you can feel it. It's all like leather interior with silky smooth. So yeah, so that is a pop down bed. You've got 2 huge, and I mean like huge cabinet chairs.
It doesn't even look like there's glass in the front.
No, it looks like you could literally go, it's the space. Like, come and actually feel the space. It sounds so silly saying it until you stood there, and then all of a sudden it's just space. Go and stand up there. If we win the lottery, darling, if we win the lottery. So yeah, and you've even got like an extension bit. I didn't touch anything at all, but you've got an extension bit here to pull the table out even further. Look at the kitchen. Like, look at the size of this. Like, I could make like a platter for a pie or something. It's huge. So you've got a Bosch, which is the contact things. You've got, oh, look at it. You've got your sink on one side, and I'm guessing that's just a disposable point on that side. Got the biggest cook ever. This is going to be the fridge, and this is where I'm going to freak out, because I know for a fact that is one humongous. Right, so it has an extra large fridge. It's even got written extra large. So there's a humongous fridge there. Make sure I wipe my fingerprints off. So there's a ton of storage. I'm trying to be extremely careful not to get fingerprints everywhere, but you have storage everywhere, like typical. Oh, your oven's down there. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, so this is official. The first van I've been in with a full-sized dishwasher. Why don't we have a dishwasher?
You've got one, you've got me.
That's not the same. Like, it's just, oh, look how even like on an angle that pulls out like so smoothly, and soft touch. Oh, look, they've even got your recycle bins. And then, yeah, I'm only tiny bit jealous. They've even got a coffee percolator here, and just wow. Oh no. Look at the bathroom. It's got like a full actual rain shower, Andrew. It's got a rain shower. It's not fair. Like a huge wardrobe. It's got, oh my god, look at the vanity sink. You always know when something's posh when it's got J'adore in the bathroom, and Clarins. So there is actually, I don't want to be touching too much because they haven't opened yet, and I don't want to get my fingerprints everywhere, but there is a section here that pulls across which would create that into an actual bedroom. So you have got the most amazing bathroom ever. Yeah, you've got a full shower, like an actual full shower. Headroom, yeah, I'm totally fine with my headroom. You've got a huge wardrobe here. The biggest sink I've ever seen in a van, out of any van at all. That is the biggest sink. It's bigger than a kitchen sink, if anything. You've got a ton of storage. You've got beautiful mirrors. Yeah, this is definitely how the other half live. Another thing I do like about it, I like everything to be honest with you, but another thing I do like, so you have got a separation here. So yeah, it creates that section. But if you have got people stopping, you can just cut off your bedroom. So there is another section there, so that people who are on this side can still use the bathroom and haven't have to come in your actual bedroom. Which is really nice. I like that idea. That is very cleverly thinking. But yeah, everywhere I look, I'm just like, oh, the luxury. Now we'll have to go into the bedroom, and this is where I'm going to have a bit of a meltdown, I think, because it already looks amazing. Oh wow. Oh, look at it. This even looks long enough for me. I'm not getting on it. I'm not that silly. So you do have steps up to get in. Either side, you do have 2 huge units at the back, 3 massive storage here, and 2 wardrobes either side at the end of the bed. And as I was saying, so just on this side here and that side there, you have got separators, so you can separate this section off here and still have access to the bathroom. You don't have to kind of have people coming in the middle of the night into your bedroom to use the bathroom. Yeah, it's really, really nice. You can tell even by the finishes. They've got storage under the bed. It's leather interior all the way around. Yeah, I think we've kind of realised that this is a lot of money.